Anyhow, 1 cup boiling water. I'm using stevia because 1/2 cup of sugar, but I'm using stevia just like a few packet. I'll pour that in there. Some gelatin. Chicken.
Then I have to add 16 ounces of cream cheese right here in the bowl. And add vanilla. That would be it.
Alright, that's good. Sorry.
Then you have to put this one in the refrigerator for 3 hours uncovered. So by that time Gemma's gonna be done at swimming, we're gonna have this delicious dessert.
They look.
Wow, that's really good. I put some crumbs on top.
Maybe it's good for diabetics.
Yeah, I use stevia for sweetener instead sugar.
Did you whip it up
Yep,
with an electric device or just a whisk?
electric device.
The wand or something else?
Yum.